Atma Namaste. The Institute for Inner Studies Incorporated and the World Pranic Healing Foundation Incorporated proudly present Introduction to Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui's Pranic Healing. May this introduction lead you to a greater interest in the teachings, practices and technology of Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui to improve your life and happiness. The science of energy fused into the art of healing. Prana in Sanskrit means vital energy, or in other words, life force. This is the energy that keeps our bodies active and healthy. We absorb it from three major sources: the sun, the air, and the earth. Science has also come to the conclusion that a man's body consists of two parts: the visible physical body that can be seen with the eyes, and the invisible energy body that can be seen now in pictures taken by Kirlian photography and by GDV cameras. With huge amounts of research being done and ongoing in the field of medicine, many medicines are today available for the physical body. But as recently as the 1970s, Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, with his extensive research on the science of the invisible energy body and its different energy centers, pioneered a concept and founded the science and art of pranic healing as we know it today. Millions of people in more than 80 countries from all walks of life learn and benefit daily from pranic healing and its practice. There are over 20 of the Grandmaster's books on this subject and on spiritual teachings, published in more than 27 languages. Pranic healing has evolved from ancient knowledge common to many spiritual traditions and societies. Historically, sages and saints have been known to perform miraculous cures. Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui absorbed the essence of those ancient scriptures, texts and wisdom to cultivate this modern form. The ancient techniques have been meticulously researched, carefully analyzed, thoroughly experimented and well developed into a science and art to tackle and remove human maladies. Pranic healing as it is today, a no-touch, no-drug, energy-based healing technique. Pranic healing utilizes life force or prana to balance, harmonize and transform the body's energy. and to heal by accelerating the rate of self-healing and self-recovery. Thus, Pranic Healing works on two basic laws: law of self-recovery and law of life energy. All beings have energy fields around them, commonly known as aura. The energy body absorbs prana from the environment and distributes this life force throughout the whole physical body. According to Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, this energy body consists of two elements: the inner aura and the outer aura. In the energy body, there are different energy centers. In yoga system, these are called chakras. Chakras are whirling energy centers that control a particular organ or have a role in the proper functioning of that particular organ. According to Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, there are 11 major chakras in the energy body: crown, forehead, ajna, throat, front and back heart, front and back solar plexus, front and back spleen, navel, meng mien, sex, and basic chakra. These energy centers continuously absorb fresh energy from the surroundings. And expel used up and deceased energy back into the surroundings. When there's an accumulation of deceased energy in any of these energy centers, they start malfunctioning. And in the long run, the physical organ controlled by this energy center also gets affected. If by some means this deceased energy is removed from the affected energy center, it starts functioning at optimum level and the corresponding physical organ starts functioning healthily again. The Grand Master's research concludes with the principle that there is an intimate relationship between the visible physical body and the invisible energy body. What affects one affects the other and vice versa. Hence, if the energy body is healthy, the physical body will be healthy. That is why it is extremely important to keep the energy body healthy. In case of any disease or physical discomfort in any part of the body, say for example, in this case, of the pain in the knee joint, it is observed that the energy body of the knee area is disturbed. That is not normal. By applying Pranic Healing, when this deceased energy is removed and replaced with fresh energy, the person suffering from discomfort finds relief and is healed. This may happen in one session, or it may take a few sessions, depending on the severity of the ailment. In Pranic Healing, we remove this deceased energy from the affected area. This process is called cleansing. When the affected area is relatively clean, then we infuse fresh cosmic energy in this area. This process is called energizing. These two basic principles are the very foundation of pranic healing. To receive fresh cosmic energy regularly in abundance, pranic healing is taught with one of the most powerful meditation techniques known as meditation on twin hearts.
Repeat after me. Lord God, make me an instrument of your peace. Be aware of your heart and your hands. Bless the earth with peace. Bless every person, every being with peace. Bless every person, every being with peace. Allow your soul to be a channel for peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Bless the entire earth with peace.
Pranic healing is taught with one of the most powerful yoga techniques called Super Brain Yoga, which upgrades your brain power. According to research carried out by Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, persons who regularly practice Super Brain Yoga are extraordinary in all aspects of their life. Super Brain Yoga enhances overall performance. Pranic healing is holistic in nature. Pranic healing can be used to strengthen the immunity and defense system of the entire body. Pranic healing can be used to heal and cure disorders of the eyes, ears and throat, skin disorders, heart and circulatory ailments, respiratory ailments, gastrointestinal ailments, urinary ailments, reproductive ailments, endocrine ailments, skeletal and muscular disorders, blood disorders, disorders of the brain and nervous system, tumors and cancers. Pranic healing can be used to heal emotional pain and psychological disorders like stress, irritability, anxiety, grief, and hysteria, phobias and traumas, and can be used to heal addictions to smoking, alcohol and drugs. Pranic healing plays an important role in relationship healing and in almost every aspect of life: sports, agriculture, music and arts, business and finance, education and child care, professional services and medicine. Pranic healing is a bridge to spirituality. Also for people who simply want to lead a healthy long life full of youthful vigor and vitality. People from all walks of life all over the world have experienced the benefits of pranic healing, like reduced stress, proper self-esteem, inner peace and happiness, better memory and concentration, recharged body and improved health, enhanced energetic sensitivity, healing ability, and intuition. If at least one person in every family knows Pranic Healing, the world will become a better place to live in. Anybody above 16 years of age who can read and write can learn and practice this art and science of Pranic Healing. Pranic Healing for everyone. As universal as energy, as individual as aura. Pranic Healing for you. Pranic Healing is not intended to replace allopathic medicine, but rather to complement it. If symptoms persist or the ailment is severe, please immediately consult a medical doctor and a certified pranic healer.